This is Joshua K. This time, I will talk about the creation story and the science recorded in the Bible. While reading the creation story recorded in Genesis chapter 1, the error the people often fall into is the so-called scientific omnipotence mindset. In essence, science is nothing more than a rational framework of thinking that allows humans to understand things and the universe. Therefore, its credibility does not go beyond the category of the highest probability of certainty among imperfect human knowledge and thought. Furthermore, science cannot give any answer about the origin of the universe, morality, and faith, which are impossible to observe, experiment, and verify. Nevertheless, in the most sound sense, there are many cases where science and the Bible are in remarkable agreement, and where the Bible's records, once seen as unscientific from the perspective of the mature science of the past, have become more certain as science has developed, so that everyone can only marvel at the timeless infallibility of the Bible. In fact, some of the contents of the creation account were disparaged as mystical in the 18th and 19th centuries. However, as a result of intensive comparison and examination of biblical principles and modern scientific concepts, it has been repeatedly proven that the biblical account is timeless, true, and more accurate and factual than what scientists can write. This phenomenon can be especially well observed in cases where the accuracy of the account of creation is proven in the course of the debate with the theory of evolution. However, the Bible does not deal with science in principle. That does not mean it is unscientific. It simply transcends science. The same is true here in its treatment of the creation story. The Bible simply, clearly, and powerfully proclaims the fact that God, who is self-existent, created this world by His word, and thus established the first milestone of human salvation. And it is the Bible that demands faith from humans. Herein lies the greatness of the Bible, which is essentially different from science.